Hello, my lovely students. Today we will cover absolute value inequality. So let's consider a pretty simple example. Okay, my absolute value of x is less than 3. Okay, we will solve this inequality using an equation. We will express it like absolute value of x is equal to 3. And we know how to solve this equation. It will have two solutions where x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 3. Okay, let's draw these points. So it will be minus 3 and 3. And let's take a point from this interval. So let's take, for example, 4. Absolute value of 4 will be 4. And it will not be less than 3. So this interval doesn't match our conditions. Okay, let's take a point from here. Let's take, for example, 0. 0, absolute value of 0 will be less than 3. So this interval is okay. Then we will take a point from here. Let's take, for example, minus 5. Absolute value of minus 5 will be 5. It will be more than 3. So this interval doesn't match our conditions. Okay, so we will have only this interval that will be from minus 3 to 3. Okay, so let's consider another example. Okay, now we will have absolute value of x that will be more than 2. Okay, again, we will solve this inequality using an equation. Absolute value of x is equal to, 2. Okay, we know that solutions of this equation will be 2 and minus 2. Let's draw these points, minus 2 and 2. And let's think what interval will match our conditions. We need to take those values that absolute value of which will be more than 2. And we can guess that it will be this interval. Let's take, for example, 3. 3, absolute value of 3 will be 3. And it will be more than 2. So this interval is okay. Okay, let's take a point from here. Let's take again 0, because 0 is the easiest example that we can take. 0 is less than 2, so this interval is not okay. And let's take this interval. Let's take, for example, minus 4. Absolute value of minus 4 will be 4, and it will be more than 2. So this interval is also okay. So we will have two intervals that are from minus infinity to minus 2 and from 2 to infinity. And this is our answer. That's all for today. Thank you very much.